Hello everyone, welcome to CodeCrazily. So as you can see, this is the first ever video I'm going to create in my YouTube channel. My first video is related to Java programming, which is beginners as considered as it is difficult language because of its complex syntaxes. But you know what? Coding Java is not that much difficult when you understand it properly. So, what I'm suggesting you is to listen properly, understand properly, and practice daily. By using these three principles, you can be able to ace the Java programming. So, I'm saying that when I was a student, like before even started learning Java, I have seen I whenever I see the word Java, I consider it as, oh my god, what kind of language is this? Will I ever be able to code in this language? Will I be able to understand this language? Can I be able to write on my own? So after my teachers taught it and I listened it, understand it, and practiced it, the answer is yes. I can be able to write on my own the code. Okay, so does you. But you have to follow the as I mentioned, listen, understand, and practice. These three you have to follow. Okay. Uh, you may ask, there will be many courses on Java in this YouTube. Why we should listen to your playlist? As a student, I can be able to understand what other student is thinking and how other student mind will be when he or she is learning a language as a beginner. Okay, so I should say that whenever you are, whenever a person who is explaining the things understands the other person's mentality, then he or she can be able to explain the things in a right way so that you know you can be able to understand easily. I'm saying that whenever the beginners listen the terms like let's say encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, in- interface, etc., he or she might think, what is this man? What is this? How can we able to understand it? But whenever he or she listens the concept, then it will be very easy. So I'm saying don't focus on the terms, focus on the concept behind it. So I'm saying I will be able to explain these concepts based on the real life examples so that you can be able to understand it properly and apply this in the real life problems only. Understood what I'm saying? If you understood, please comment understood in the comment box so that I can be able to, you know, get feedback about how I'm saying and how you are understanding my words. So I'm saying I will try to explain it in very simple way in very short span of time. And please, please forgive me for my sound quality. As you know, I said this is my beginner. My sound quality is a little bit off. I'm saying it will improve in the upcoming videos. I'm saying that I'm just upload this course in a regular interval of times so that you have time to listen, understand, and also practice things. Okay, and I'm also saying that not to subscribe immediately. I'm saying first listen, understand, and if you like the content of my courses, then subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.